Godrej Vending presents India's first fresh brew tea machine. The innovative tea brewer has been developed in collaboration with Veromatic International of the Netherlands. The 5 containers of the machine are filled with packaged tea leaves, sugar, and whiteners. The machine has the option of a fresh milk attachment that pours hot milk in the cup. On the press of a button, tea leaves are dropped in the tea brewer. The ingenious brewing process starts by sprinkling hot water on the tea leaves to soak them briefly. This induces the release of aroma and enhances the taste. The brewer cleans itself by disposing the used tea leaves into the waste bucket. You will now enjoy freshly brewed tea at work, just the way you like it. Godrej Vending, happy at work.